Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to launch Microsoft Office Excel 2007. As we all know, Microsoft Office 2007 is the software suite, consists of three important applications: MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, which helps in writing simple or well-formatted text documents, to create huge spreadsheet, and build or edit catchy presentation. Microsoft Office Excel 2007 provides powerful tools and features that we can use to analyze, share, and manage our data with ease. To launch Excel 2007, there are multiple ways. Come to Start, click on All Programs, scroll down, open Microsoft Office. Here it will show all the applications under Microsoft Office, including Excel 2007. We can open by clicking on this. Otherwise, come to Search and type Excel 2007. As soon as we started typing Excel 2007, it will show the application in programs list. We can open or we can create a shortcut by right clicking on this application. Come to Send to and select Desktop, create shortcut. Come to the desktop, and here we got a shortcut for Excel 2007. We can also open Excel 2007 using Run command. Come to Start, in Search please type Run, and we can open Run command from here. Otherwise, use Windows or shortcut key from your keyboard. In Run dialog box, please type Excel and click on OK. Then it will open the application. Whenever we launch the application, we will get this as starting window. Microsoft Excel has the basic features of spreadsheets using a grid of cells arranged in numbered rows and columns with letter named to organize the data. Excel 2007 supports up to 1 million rows and 16,000 columns per worksheet to handle the data. And Excel is a spreadsheet editor that enables us to create and maintain few spreadsheets with everything we need. Like this, we can launch Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.